Hi, this is Jeffrey and welcome to my YouTube channel.
Hello guys, we are going to Cherry Resort. See you there. Bye-bye. Hello guys! Welcome to J Resort. So we are invited you all to come and visit this place because this place has a lot to offer. There is a lot of beautiful scenery here, so come now! Hello guys, we are here now at J Resort. Look at the pools guys, it's crystal clear and you can see a lot of beautiful scenery here. So come and visit J Resort now.
Hello! So we are so much enjoy here at G Resort.
Thank you for welcoming us. And we are
hoping that ilang ilang ambience ba? The water so clean, fresh, and dagan kaayo mga tao po. So come and enjoy here. Come and visit.